So I think that neurons have sort of three strikes against them that makes them especially vulnerable. And you've mentioned two of them. One is that they are not renewable. Two is that they have a lot of lipids, not just in terms of composition, that they tend to have lipids that are highly polyunsaturated, but they also have a lot of lipid. They have very extensive membrane systems. So their surface to volume ratio is very, very large because they have these vast extended processes. I mean, so there's a lot of membrane that can get damaged in neurons. And the third strike, of course, is the large amount of oxygen consumption. So in humans, the brain accounts for 2% of body mass, but consumes 20% of the oxygen we breathe. And that, of course, also predisposes you to the risks of oxygen use, right? But I think one dietary variable that certainly matters is simply the total amount of calories that you consume. There's a large body of evidence, again, ranging from flies to humans, that caloric restriction, so using your dietary intake of calories, reduces sleep need quite substantially.
That makes sense, right? The less food components you're consuming that are going to funnel through this electron transport chain, the less leak you're going to get overall, and therefore the less reactive oxygen species and lipid peroxides and stuff on average that you'll tend to form.
It would seem to be the case, yeah.